Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. We are on automobile air conditioning tips day 21, bring to you by Timer Auto Global Limited. If you observe that your automobile air conditioning is leaking or there's a leakage in the system, my advice to the vehicle owner, to the drivers, to fleet manager, instead of going around to top up refrigerant, I would advise you rectify the leaks before topping up refrigerant. When you're topping up refrigerant in a leaking air conditioning system, it's like you pouring water inside a basket, and over time that compressor will damage. I will tell you why the compressor will damage. One is that the oil in the system will be leaking out where the refrigerant is also leaking out, and that oil is not only to lubricate the system, it's also a cooling agent. It also cool the compressor. So when you allow your system to leak, and instead of you to rectify the leak, you go around to top up refrigerant, it will end you at expensive repairs. It will make that compressor to cease. It will cause seizures and eventually will end you at expensive repairs, because when the compressor is running without oil lubricating those moving parts, it will ground, and that grounding, those metal shaving will travel around the system and it will cause black dates. And of course, when the system is black date, manufacturer said that everything should be replaced. If you should do any shortcut, for example, by replacing the compressor and condenser, and you went ahead to flush the evaporator, that compressor will not last. You keep on changing your compressor. There's no way you can flush black date totally out of the system. So it is recommended, if that system is black date, everything that has to do with automobile air conditioning system, ranging from the compressor, the condenser, the hoses, the pipe, the evaporator, all need to be replaced, including expansion valve. Should there be any shortcut, that compressor will fail again. I want to believe that these few tips are useful. So say no to top up. Instead, locate where it's leaking out from and rectify it before recharging it with refrigerant. Kindly share and follow us for more automobile conditioning tips. Thank you and see you tomorrow.